San Francisco 911, what's the exact location emergency?
Hi, someone is in my house. He's just leaving. He was in the yard, but I think he climbed the roof and now he's leaving.
Said he climbed onto your house?
I am inside the house, and then I hear noises
11,
upstairs, and I think he was in the roof, and I just saw him running away.
Okay. And which way is he going?
He's going towards York Street. He's wearing all black. He's not walking very fast. It seems like either he's injured or something. I don't know, but he's stumbling.
You alright? Come over here. Let's get some cars. Let's go over here. What's that? Hey, come back. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out. Drop it. 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 I need to
I'm fine without you.
I need to apply pressure.
No, it hurts, man. It hurts. Hey, I'm obviously awake after you shot me. I can breathe, man.
Paramedics on the way. What's your name?
Yeah.
I'm 101 northbound at the Caesar Chavez complex. Come up the wrong way.
I'm seeing little.